Guys, welcome back to the video. Today we're playing some more Arsenal. Yeah, Arsenal. Deploy. No, I did play the game a little bit. I did play the game a little bit after I made the last video, but I'm making this video like a couple seconds or a couple minutes after my last one. I'm still not very good, so don't think I'm like good or something. Is this a drum? Did I have a drum gun or something? I have a darn. Oh, I have dual pistols. I keep forgetting everything. No, I keep forgetting every skill control. Darn it. There's a pump. I'm gonna kill somebody. No, I had a pump. Oh, I'm not good at this game at all. I'm sorry, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, I killed somebody, I think. Right? Did I? Yeah, I killed somebody. Gosh darn it. Ooh, golden AK? And it's golden. Sorry, I twitch a lot, guys. Man, I'm just not good. Oh, now I have a regular AK. What is the difference? Yeah, I did play a little bit. I'm mad. I'm deeply mad. Oh, the suppressed pistol is so bad. It's just so bad. But I feel like everybody dies in this game really fast, so it's not a big problem. It was right. Nemesis? Why you see my nemesis? Whatever. G is to taunt? No, I don't want to. I don't want to taunt. I want to. Really? How many kills did I have? Like none. I'll see if you guys want to go get up a level up. I'm not sponsored. Just go get up the level up keyboard. Awesome keyboard. Probably one of the best keyboards I've ever gotten. So if you guys want to go and get that level up keyboard, I would recommend it. It is a very, very good keyboard. Also, the level up mouse is a good mouse. It is wired, so if you're not a kind of wired dude. Yeah, I have gotten a little bit better. I'm trying to get my gun out. How do I get killed in like one shot though? How do you get killed? How does somebody kill you that fast? Why is my... What's happening? Why do I... Oh, for a second I had to hold right click to... Let's go. Got another kill. Bam, I'm rocking this. 2 kills in a row. Oh, oh, person. No, that's a bike. I got another kill? Oh my gosh. I'm goated. That's 4 kills. Oh, shoot. Alright, I got a little ahead of myself. That's good. That's alright. That is alright. Getting ahead of yourself can happen sometimes. Guys, kill out somebody. I can't reload. Alright. I think this is the max bullets. Alright. Pretty good. I have decent amount of kills. I think I have like, yeah, I have 5 kills. Not bad. I got a kill. Got another kill. That's 7 kills up on the line, boys. I'm getting a lot better. I think I hit somebody for 50. I don't know if I got the kill. Got a kill. Yeah, I definitely got a lot better. I can tell you that. Or people in this game were just not as good. I don't really know. Who knows at this point? Who knows anything at this point? Coronavirus. Everything is just a mess. Oh, alright. I hit him really low. He's probably pretty low. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna kill somebody with an LMG. Come here. I have 8 kills. Not bad. Not bad at all. For somebody who got 1 kill in my previous games. I only got 1 kill in my last video. I was terrible. Not bad. I ain't complaining. I got 8 kills, okay? How do you get... I don't understand. V is supposed to be reload. V. But it's not. I've seen a lot of people lately. They've been playing on mobile Roblox. I don't know how that works. I did originally play on my iPad. But never played these games like this because it was impossible to win. What is this? Oh, it's my same gun. I forgot. Yes! Got another kill! You always want to jump in this game. You always want to jump in this game. I'm giving you advice now. Take that advice seriously. Darn it, I was taken over. Nice! Darn it, I had to reload. But I think I'm not in the leaderboards because this dude keeps taking over me. Darn it, that's the wrong button. Hey, you know what? I got 10 kills. I ain't complaining. Woo-hoo! Yeah, 10 kills. It's not bad, because I did play this game quite a little bit and understand it. I got around 60 ping. Not bad. Not bad. 60 ping isn't. I'm level 0. How's that possible? Don't you like start? I don't know. Let's go to the beach. I'll go on too. I will. I sure will. Darn it. That's fine, that's fine. I don't have any kills, but that's fine, that's fine, that's fine. Come on. I see, dude. Is he behind me? No, he's not behind me. Good. Yo, man. Oh, he's right behind me. I thought I looked right behind me. Maybe not. I don't really know. I keep pressing E. Instead of W. Oh! Ah, this hurts. How do people get like 16 kills? I don't really know. Hey, man. That hurt. What? Why does it only do... It's a sniper. Why does it only do 28 damage? I'm just lasered. Am I the only one getting shot at? I feel like that's the deal here. Anybody goes out into the open. Oh, I hit him for 44. He's so low. Imagine me. Ah, man. I need to turn my sensitivity down, I think. A little bit. Hey, I got 1 kill. I have 1 kill. It's not bad, is it? Yeah, it's pretty bad compared to 30. I'm getting better, guys. I'm gonna make a lot of videos on Arsenal right now. Maybe if these dudes didn't stop constantly killing me, that'd be a little better. And then I'd be a little more hyped to, you know, make a little more videos on Arsenal. I can't do this because I either get in match with so many people who aren't as good or so many people who are like really good. So then what's the point? I can't do this anymore. Why? What is this? Oh no. The golden gun probably does like, it probably does like 2 damage. Alright, I'm going in. Go. Ah, man. Darn it. It's alright. It's alright. That's alright. That's alright. That's a Fortnite dance, dude. That's a Fortnite dance. You can't take away that. You can't take that from Fortnite, you little. Where are you, dirt? Where are you, pestard? You little pest. Come here. My controls. Hey, I'm level 1. Hey, okay. That's a start. That's a big start. Deploy. I like to deploy, okay? Thank you. If I can deploy, that'd be great. I'll take the blue one. I don't know what those things do when you choose the thing, but whatever. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna hit it off again. I'm gonna hit it off again if my mouse doesn't stop working. What? How? Come on, man. Like in this game, if you get stuck somewhere, somebody's gonna kill you. Why? No, how? Why? Come here. Come on. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm back. My computer's frozen. It's frozen. Oh, I had to press right click. What was? Nothing worked. Alright. Darn it. Let's go. Guys, I might not be talking in these gameplays, but hey, I got 2 kills. Not bad. Not bad. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please leave a like and subscribe to this video. Hit that notification bell when you subscribe if you like my content. Peace.